What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another video. So I got a really cool application to show you guys, and it is called FloatingPlayer. Now essentially this is picture-in-picture mode for your music within Apple Music and Spotify. I think it's pretty sweet. It reminds me of a jailbreak tweak, and I just think it's really cool. So if we go into Spotify here, and we already got it playing, so what we can do is go into FloatingPlayer. As you can see here, this is what the application looks like. There's really not much functionality to the app itself other than to just start picture-in-picture with your music playing on your device. And of course, since it's picture-in-picture, you can go into any application and do whatever it is you want. The player remains there. You can see you have play, pause, you have next track, previous track. It's a little weird because it shows like skip 15 seconds, but it's actually treated as next track, previous track. So if we click next track, as you can see, it goes to the next song in that playlist. And of course, it's just a normal picture-in-picture mode. You can expand it if you want it larger. You can shrink it down. You can move it down to different areas of your iPhone if you need to get it out of your way, if you're working on something, or like on Twitter or something, if you just need to get it out of your way as you're browsing the feed or something like that. Just very, very cool. I think, like I said, this reminds me of a jailbreak tweak, and I think it's awesome to have on iOS 15, no jailbreak. And again, if you guys want this, I will leave the App Store link for it down in the description if you want to check it out. But hopefully you think it's as cool as I do. I think it's pretty sweet. If you do, definitely throw a thumbs up. This has been IDM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.